Bitcoin could take 2 years to bounce above the 69K all-time high. Binance enables price tracking for Shiba Inu ecosystem coin Shiba Swap. Is a listing coming? Bybit and Kucoin came under heavy sanctions by Canadian authorities. All this and more in this video. Welcome back. Bitcoin could take 2 years to reach 69K again. In late 2021, Bitcoin had spiked to around 69K. Today, the crypto is valued at around 20K per piece. Binance CEO CZ said that at the moment it's hard to predict the future of the space. However, he thinks that BTC's price is bound to keep below the all-time high point of 69K for some time, which could be months or even 2 years. He also said in 2018 and 2019 the crypto market went through a harsh winter that brought the BTC price from a high of 20K to a low of 3K. In fact, that reduction ratio is way more than the current decrease from 69K to 20K. He also said, historically we see 4-year cycles, roughly 2-year bear, 2-year bull, but history may not predict the future and I can't predict the future. However, other factors affected the crypto market in general. The hiking interest rates by central banks, the rise of inflation, and the current period of recession. With all these factors in play, any investments that are perceived to be risky become unattractive. Binance enables price tracking for Shiba Swap. Is a listing coming? Users now can track the price of BONE, Shiba Swap ticker symbol BONE, the governance token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem on Binance. Following this, Shiba Inu supporters begin to expect a potential listing of BONE Shiba Swap on Binance for trading purposes. This is relevant because BONE will play an important role in Shibarium. The token will be reportedly used as the native gas token on the SHIB Layer 2 solution, which will provide the necessary functionality to process/execute smart contracts and transactions. BONE is currently acting as the governance token of Shiba Swap, allowing the SHIB army to vote on upcoming proposals. The more BONE the user holds, the more weight their vote carries in these future endeavors. Bybit and Kucoin came under heavy sanctions by Canadian authorities. On June 22nd, Ontario Securities Commission announced successful enforcement actions against Bybit and Kucoin, as they represent non-compliant crypto asset trading platforms to Canadian investors. The Ontario Securities Commission and Bybit reached a settlement agreement since it maintained an open dialogue, provided requested information, and engaged in registration discussions. As part of the agreement, Bybit paid more than $2 million and another 10,000 Canadian dollars toward the OSC investigation cost. Kucoin, however, couldn't reach a settlement agreement with the OSC. The Capital Markets Tribunal fined 2 million Canadian dollars and another 96,000 Canadian dollars for the OSC investigation costs. Alongside the substantial monetary sanction is a permanent market participation ban. At the moment, Bybit no longer accepts new registrations from Ontario residents. Well, that's all for today, and see you on the next one.